Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram account private. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, just go down to account privacy and click on that. And then this will just give you the option to make your account private. So you can obviously just toggle that on. And this will just let you know only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. No one can reuse your content. All reels, posts and stories that previously used your content and features such as remixes, sequences, templates or stickers will be deleted. If you switch back to a public account within 24 hours, they will be restored. So you can just obviously select switch to private if you're happy with all that. And you can also turn on allow profile picture expansion. But obviously if you want to keep it a bit more private, you can have that toggled off as well. Thanks for watching.